The crypto market, it's buzzing and shaking things up. First up, what's going on with Ethereum? Looks like folks are finally shaking off the jitters and feeling good again. That fear to euphoria flip we're seeing in the sentiment, that's just a fancy way of saying retail investors, the everyday people like you and me, are getting bullish, real bullish on ETH after a period of doubt. This shift often happens when prices show some strength, making people feel more confident to jump back in. It's a sign that the crowd is optimistic, but remember, the market can turn on a dime. This is not financial advice. Then you got President Trump coming out swinging for Bitcoin. He's talking about making the US the Bitcoin superpower, the crypto capital of the world. Now, that's a statement. Whether you like the guy or not, that kind of talk from a potential president, that's huge for the entire industry. It signals a potential future where crypto isn't just tolerated, but actively embraced and supported by the government, which could mean clearer regulations and more innovation right here in the States. That's a game changer for mainstream adoption. And get this, Iggy Azalea, she ain't just rapping anymore, she's deep in crypto. She's taken a creative director gig at a brand new Solana-based launchpad called Thrust. And she's even moving her own mother token over there. What's a launchpad? Think of it like a platform where new crypto projects, especially celebrity coins, can get off the ground and find an audience. Solana's getting a lot of these projects because it's known for being super fast and dirt cheap to use. This just shows you the celebs are here to stay in the crypto game, bringing more eyes and maybe even more innovation to the space, especially on networks like Solana. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.